If you love chocolate brownies and also care about your health, pumpkin brownies is just right for you. And Oddy Ecobake parchment paper makes it possible. It has chocolate, but no one can guess it has pumpkin in it. For the 3 delicious layers of yum, just get these ingredients together. You can take a screenshot. The recipe is also linked below. We start by grinding almonds, cocoa, ragi, sugar and butter. The first layer is ready. Start the magic by covering the microwave-safe dish with Oddy Ecobake. Now spread the mixture evenly on it. Top with your favorite spreads and keep aside. Now mix the dry ingredients together. The flours, cocoa, sugar, soda, salt and spice. Keep aside. Now for the wet ingredients. Gently melt the chocolate. Add oil, pumpkin and milk. You can add chopped nuts too. Fold the dry into the wet mixture. Mix. Spread on the first 2 layers gently. Microwave on high for 3 to 4 minutes. Cool and chill thoroughly. Now turn it upside down on clean parchment. Peel the paper away, cut into squares. Have it plain or decorate with chocolate ganache. How about adding your favorite ice cream? Whichever way, it's delicious and healthy. This unique recipe is possible thanks to Oddy Ecobake. Make your food dreams come true with Oddy Ecobake, a must-have for every kitchen. Get yours today.